All right, good morning, guys. We are out here on the Copano Bay, just outside of Rockport and Fulton, and I'm going to do some fishing this morning. The family went off to the beach, and well, let's just face it, I'm not much of a crowds guy. So I stayed back, and last night I was watching the shrimp pop and the whitings jumping up after them. So it looks like it's probably going to be a great opportunity for me to slam down on some whitings out here. We're kind of on a point where the bay really opens up, and the coast opening is right that way. I doubt you can see it on here, but this bay really opens up quite a bit, and it's pretty amazing because last night the sun set right there, and just the amazing gold that took over the sky was just absolutely breathtaking and beautiful. So on this family road trip, we're here in the Rockport Fulton area on Copano Bay. We're going to be fishing and trying to do a catch, clean, cook on some whiting. I do have my Lone Star BBQ rubs. Remember, those will be out very, very soon. 5 flavors in particular that we're trying to button down. But right now I've got the SPG and the garlic butter pepper dust that we're going to throw down on some fish. But also I'm going to attempt to fry some on a grill because we rented this house and we're not allowed to fry any fish inside. So we're going to honor that because it's a very nice house. It's a brand new house, and we don't want to tick anybody off and be disrespectful to them. So stay tuned. You can probably barely see us, guys, but we're out here tonight catching some trout, and it's like they've got one on right next to us. I know you can barely see it, the lighting is terrible, so I'm going to go grab a glove, but
it's a little bitty one.
Freshwater lures are doing the trick. Are you going to catch anything, or? Alright, guys, so yesterday was kind of a bust when it came to fishing. We came out here and we didn't get started very early in the morning. Waited a little long, didn't really have everything to get started, so started kind of late. And then a storm started moving in about 3 o'clock, so we really didn't get anything done. So last night we started throwing out some, everything calmed down after dark. We started throwing out some cut bait and shrimp and stuff like that. Got nibbles here or there. I caught some undersized red and just some small whiting, but really nothing to keep. And I was watching these shrimp pop up on the water, and these trout just sucking them out of the top of the water. So I decided to go back with what I know, and that's some topwater lures, some crankbaits, and some soft plastics. So we started hooking up with soft plastics and crankbaits and some topwater, and we ended up getting our fill and filling up and getting all of our, hi baby, and filling up all of our wave and getting our daily bag limit filled up on crankbaits and topwater. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these up. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's a lot of better videos of people that can do it way better than me. And then I will meet you inside as we throw on some SPG and some garlic butter pepper dust to grill these up. And then we're going to fry. We're going to fry half of them and grill up the other half. So we'll see you as soon as these are clean. Alright, so we're trying something that we've never tried before. I've got the this trout, these beautiful trout fillets in some egg wash, and I've got some Slap Ya Mama in a shaker bag, and then we got some oil in a pan here getting hot over some charcoal. Now I've never done it this way before. Don't know if it's going to work, don't know if it's going to get hot enough, but we're going to try it out, okay? The homeowners here that we're renting from, they don't want us to fry fish in their house, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense because we're, you know, on the bay. But hey, we'll abide by the rules, and let's see if this stuff is getting hot. It's been on here for about 10 minutes. it might actually work. I'm really surprised that that's actually pretty hot. Oh man, I bet that looks a little bit better. All right. So I'm pretty sure I've never seen anybody do that before, but it freaking worked. So we're gonna get these fried up, and then we're gonna head upstairs and put everything on the table for us to eat as a family, and then throw some Lone Star barbecue, garlic, butter, pepper dust on top of some, and try it out. That topper, that dust topper, is for literally anything. I put it on pizza earlier. It goes great on popcorn. It's an amazing finishing dust on steaks and on fish. So these are about done. We're gonna head up and get ready to eat supper. Okay guys, so we've got the fish inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see what it tastes like. Now I know from having sea trout before, it tastes a little more fishy than like something you'd eat like catfish or freshwater fish, something like that. But I really like sea trout. So let's see how let's see how this slap your mama fry batter tastes. It's pretty good. It's actually really good together. That was kind of a small piece. And then I'm going to try to shake some of this on there. It's got garlic, butter, pepper. This is Lone Star barbecue rubs, GBP dust, garlic, butter, pepper dust, and bring me off a piece of that. All right, so I've got a piece with some Lone Star barbecue dust, some garlic, butter, pepper dust sprinkled on top, and I've been putting this on everything lately again, like popcorn and pizza, steak, all that kind of stuff. So let's try it on fish. That's really good. A lot of flavor. It gives you that extra pop, that garlicky, buttery, savory pepper taste. It's a really good finisher flavor. So make sure, hey, give me an idea of what to cook and what to top with this powder as a finishing flavor. And let me know how you like to cook your trout, or how you like to cook any of your fresh catches. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you share all of our videos and all that good stuff. Remember, we're giving away the ammo can because we surpassed 150 subscriptions. And I've got a little one over there acting like a hooligan. And excuse that noise. But we did surpass 150 subscriptions. Hey, you want to keep it down over there? We did surpass 150 subscriptions, and we'd like to get more. So we're giving away that ammo can grill, and then when we double that at 300, we're going to give away another one. So again, please, please, please like, subscribe, share, do all those things, and we'll see you later. Have a safe, good weekend. Remember, it's hot outside, guys, so drink more water. Brisket Medic out.